All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So I've been having some issues with YouTube pushing out my my videos and my content. So please make sure you have on your post notifications, ring the bell, and hit all notifications. So in the last video that we posted on the 2023 Honda Trail, we have done the upgraded front forks and the Racing Bro rear shocks. All right, not much to see, but as you can see, the top caps that we have the YSS front forks in definitely makes the front a little bit stiffer. And then we have the Racing Bros rear shocks, the first Racing Bro product I have on any of my bikes. And I must say, for as much as they cost, they're definitely a step up, and I love them. And then of course we have over here the man in the box intake as well, a video on that. If you just go to my channel, click on the Trail 125 playlist, you'll be able to see that install as well. Okay, so this is what today's video is all about. We're going to be installing the factory Honda OEM front carrier for obviously the Trail. Okay, comes with some hardware pieces. Trying to get you guys a part number. See if it's on the box. Here is the part number. I can get the camera to focus. There we go. I have a link down in the description to that as well. So this front carrier piece is going to go something like that, I believe. What am I going to use it for? I'm not really sure, but I think it looks pretty cool on the bike once it's outfitted with it. All right, so I just got done doing a little test mock-up. First thing you need to do is, there's two bolts right here. It's a 6mm, and then there's one on the other side right there. Then you need to come down below, and then there is a 10mm on your horn bracket. You're going to need to remove the horn out of the way, and then as well there is another 10mm here that you need to remove as well. And those two replacement bolts are here, and then they give you two new supplied bolts to go on the top for the top part of the carrier. So let's go ahead and get this bolt removed, and then we shall be able to reuse the same hardware for the horn as well. All right, so here is a little quick mock-up. And then what you're going to want to do is take these two long supplied bolts, and like I said, they're going to go through this thick part right here on the bottom. And then once you get these two in, you'll be able to turn the horn back out and then mount the horn right back there. So I'm going to say we probably got maybe 5 minutes left, and then this bad boy is going to be installed. Whenever you go to install this side, there's another bracket piece here on the bottom that holds this wiring harness. Make sure you send the bolt through the carrier and then that wiring harness holder, and then go ahead and snug her down. All right, now that we have that other side fastened and this bolt carrier fastened all the way down, you're going to take your 10mm bolt that you pulled out for the horn, and you're going to put it right back in its spot. Super simple. Make sure we get this good and snug. Doesn't have to be on there too tight, and then you can go back behind here and retuck the horn wires back into its slot. Shoo! I'm here to tell y'all, this summer heat ain't no joke. The humidity is ridiculous right now. I've been sweating my butt off, but I'd say it took about 20 minutes tops from start to finish. This bolt right here went in easy. And then this side right here was kind of hard to line up one-handed, but I got it done. You do have some cables and some wiring stuff in the way, but yeah, I like the way that front carrier looks. I think it's too small to put a couple liters of gas on it. So what I think I may do is get the factory piece that goes right here and maybe put a couple liter bottles of gas, or I'm gonna get they make a little side gas tank carrier. I think Bezdills has them. I don't think anybody in the US is supplying them just yet, but I'd love to put like an extra little jerry can on the side. Can't really tell but on the old 79, see how they have the side mounted extra spare gas. I want to do that as well. And then we still have the man in the box turn signals, and we have their little tail tidy piece for the license plate that we're going to do. And be careful, you can only put 2 pounds up there. So yeah. All right, that is going to do it for today's video. If you guys want to see any other accessories installed on the Trail 125, leave a comment down below. I think we got a few more up our sleeves. I'd like to get a different seat. I'd like to get the Diablo seat, and then Wayne from the Speed Shop recommended some Shinko tires, and then we'll do a front fender lift, and then I think it's time to 181 swap it and make this thing an animal. So we are currently waiting. I think there's like a back order of the over racing exhaust for the Trail. Last time I checked, it was 2 months, and then like this week of the 4th of July, it said it was 1 month out. So here probably in the next like week or two, I'll put my order in for one and hopefully have it by the end of July, and then we'll get all the parts shipped to Wayne for the 181 build that comes from Hard Racing. We'll let Wayne do all his magic on putting that motor in, and then yeah, we'll drive up to Georgia and go get the 181 in. I'm currently selling this bike. I don't know what I want to replace it with, but I think I want to do a Sur-Ron 72 volt build. So if you're interested in buying this 2013 Victory, I think it has 15,000 miles on it, aftermarket exhaust, saddlebags, some speakers, and it has a iPhone charger on it. Nothing special. I mean, turnkey, ready to ride. So if you're ready to get a bigger bike, or you want something different, shoot me a DM or comment on this video, and I'll get you the info on it. All right, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, please turn on your post notifications. For some reason, YouTube is not pushing my content out. I don't know. I started posting around 11, 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go back into posting in the afternoon, like 4, 5 o'clock Central Time. So if you're interested in an early video around 10, 11 o'clock Central, or 5, 6 o'clock PM Central, please comment down below. Please comment down below and let me know which time works best for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. It's time to get a shower. I am sweaty. Peace.